Knows credit. The game ain't dead. Numbers in the green. Stay ahead. Stack it up, don't break the thread. Gregg knows credit. That's what he said. APL lurking, a shark in the deep.
Stop paying collection companies. Just stop. Stop paying collection companies. Why do you keep doing that? Let me explain to you what a collection company is. They're a collection company. So let me explain to you what this is. No gatekeeping, 100%, 100%. You don't owe these people. You signed a contract with Discover. I'm just going to use them for the sake of this short conversation. You signed a contract with Discover. That's who you signed it with. Now, when Portfolio or LVNB or LNB, I don't know how to say their whole name. I'm tired of doing it. Regardless, these people are collectors. They are collecting money, right? That the actual original creditor didn't get. The original creditor wrote it off. That's why now it's a charge off, and whatever the case may be, now they're selling the debt for pennies on the dollar. And now this debt collector and bought the debt, and now they're calling you like crazy. They're calling you like, hey, give me my money. Give me my money. Give me my money. It's not their money. You never, I don't believe that you can borrow money from somebody and then have to pay back somebody else. Think about that for a sec. If you borrow money from your best friend Brenda or your best friend Brian, if you do, and then your payback is you got to pay it to their friend. You got to pay it to, I'm tired of asking for the money. You going to pay it to them. Don't pay it to me no more. I don't owe them. We ain't got no agreement. When I borrowed that $20 from you, I was supposed to pay you back, and I ain't pay it in a certain amount of time. So now you're going to get it. You're going to give that debt to them, and I got to pay them. Oh, I ain't paying them. I pay you, but I ain't going to pay them. But this is what happens in the credit game, because the most important thing in our life is one of the most least cared about or focused on things in our life, which is credit. So what I'm saying is this: credit wise, you don't owe them. Why are you paying them back? Why are you paying a collection company that is a data furnisher, that all you got to do is create a LLC? You can create your own data furnishing company and go collect money on people. Like, you can really get rich off of this evil task. I don't like it because I think it's very wrong, because you're actually making money off of people's pain. But here's what you need to know, okay? You need to know you don't owe them. You owe your original creditor. But guess what? Since your original creditor already wrote it off, what you can do is you can say, hey, look, check it out. I don't know you. Bye. Show me the contract. They ain't going to be able to show you the contract. You understand what I'm saying? That's what you got to understand. You want to know how to get out of this? No gatekeeping? Just send them a letter and say, show me the proof. Show me the contract. If they can't show you the contract, it can't stay on your credit. I don't agree with anything O.J. Simpson did, but they said, if the gloves don't fit, you must have quit. Right? And I'm not saying he didn't. But what I'm saying is, that's the main ingredient. So take your life back. Understand what I'm saying? Pay attention to the game. It's only a little short, a little something. Ain't a whole lot. I'm just letting you know, right? I give you the game. It's your boy, Gregg.Knows.Credit. Peace.
Swipe the card and sang him metallic choir. Gregg knows credit, building empire, digits dance, accounts on fire, cash flow flipping like a gymnast high, late nights, glow of the screen, FICO climbing, chasing the dream, interest rates, they scheme and gleam, bankers plotting, sipping caffeine. Gregg knows credit, the game ain't dead, numbers in the green, stay ahead, stack it up, don't break the thread. Gregg knows credit, that's what he said. APL lurking, a shark in the deep. Gregg stay woke, never caught asleep. Testing in hand, no secrets to keep. Dead snowball rolling.